Have you ever lost something and thought it was gone forever? My wife and I have been married for almost 8 years now, and I love my marriage. I love my kids, but I also love my wedding ring. There's nothing like the fear you get when you think you've lost your wedding ring. Somebody's pausing right now for a chuckle because they know it's true. One day, I couldn't find it, and I was so afraid to tell my wife. She didn't notice until a few days later, and I was apologetic and sad and trying to figure out where it was. She offered then to help me look for it. We started cleaning the house. We looked through the cars. We're tearing things up. We're trying to back trace our steps. It reminds me of a story where all the men of God were down at the Jordan River and were trying to find materials to build a space to worship God. And as they were cutting it down and gathering wood, somebody begins to wail because they lost the axe head that they were using. What's worse, it was borrowed. And right now, you don't think anything of it because you can just go to one of the hardware stores and get a new axe. But in 2 Kings chapter 6, 5 and 6, it says, as one of them was cutting down the tree, the iron axe fell into the water. Oh no, my Lord, he cried, it was borrowed. The man of God asked, where did it fall? When he showed him the place, Elisha cut a stick and threw it in there and made the iron float. At the end of my personal story about our living room search for our ring, there in the middle section of the sofa was my ring, my wife's rings, which we didn't know were lost, my wife's watch, one of our bracelets. Our 2-year-old was making his very own treasure trove in the sofa. I was so excited. We were over the moon that we had found all these valuables. But honestly, how do you think this guy felt when he experienced that restoration? That restoration in 2 Kings chapter 6, when the man of God reaches out and makes that axe head swim out of the murky, dirty water of the Jordan River and restores this man's hope. I wish the same level of relief for you. What might feel lost can be found in him. What might feel hopeless can be overcome by him.